Task number 2, evaluation of search results. On the internet, everyone can publish their writings. It can be in the form of blog posts, articles, or social media posts. This can be even in more subtle ways, such as by editing a public wiki page. This ability makes it possible for anyone to voice their unfounded claims. Everyone can express their opinion about the best cybersecurity practices, feature programming trends, and how to best prepare for DevSecOps interviews. It is our job as readers to evaluate the information. We will mention a few things to consider when evaluating information. Source: identify the author or organization publishing the information. Consider whether they are reputable and authoritative on the subject matter. Publishing a blog post does not make one an authority on the subject. Evidence and reasoning. Check whether the claims are backed by credible evidences and logical reasoning. We are seeking hard facts and solid arguments. Objectivity and bias. Evaluate whether the information is presented impartially and rationally, reflecting multiple perspectives. We are not interested in authors pushing shady agendas, whether to promote a product or attack a rival. Corroboration and consistency. Validate the presented information by corroboration from multiple independent sources. Check whether multiple reliable and reputable sources agree on the central claims. Answer the questions below. What do you call a cryptographic method or a product considered bogus or fraudulent? If we search in Wikipedia, snake oil cryptography. In cryptography, snake oil is any cryptographic method or product considered to be bogus or fraudulent. Right? So this is an example, a funny example of, let's say, the internet searching ability that this room tries to impose on us. But it's a bit funny because we just copy pasted this question, and the first link is this one. So it's not that in-depth search, or we don't even use Google Docs, but I guess we will use that later. All right, so snake oil is the question, is the answer of this question. What is the name of the command replacing netstat in Linux system? SS is replacing, we have from Unix Stack Exchange. How can I write? Let's see what other information we have. Ubuntu, Red Hat, Linux tools, how to use the SS command. All right. The new replacement are IP, dig, and SS respectively. So ifconfig, nslookup, and netstat. It's time to reluctantly let go of legacy utilities and head into the future with SS. The IP command is worth a mention here because part of netstat's functionality has been replaced by IP. Formally, SS is the socket statistics command that replaces netstat. In this article, I provide netstat commands and their SS replacements. Right, so here we see netstat-t, active internet connections, and we have here, we see on the TCP connection, SSH connection is established. And here is the replacement of netstat command, which is basically, you can see it over here at the bottom of it. You can see the connection of with the SSH. SS is used to dump socket statistics. It allows showing information similar to netstat. It can display more TCP and state information than other tools. So the replacement is socket statistics.